Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and today I am a little bit sick. So I thought that maybe for today's lesson we could learn how to say I'm sick in different ways in English. The first way that you can say I'm sick is to say I'm under the weather, or I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. You can also say, I'm not feeling well, or I'm feeling unwell. You can also say, I've come down with something. You can also say, I've caught a cold, or I've caught a bug. And if you are really, really sick, you can say, I'm as sick as a dog. For example, right now, I am not as sick as a dog. I'm awake, I don't feel well, but I can still function. So remember to use that in very serious cases. So, have you caught a cold this season? Do you have one right now? Let us know in the comments below, or let us know how your day is going. I hope it's going well. Bye.